Hello everyone, this is Parth Doshi here. I'm a CA by qualification. I cleared my CA in November 2018 with an All India rank 35. I joined Innovent Capital, which is a venture debt fund of Temasek, and I'm currently working there. I owe all the professional qualifications and achievements in my career to Neeraj sir. This is because when I joined his classes in 11th standard, he explained a very beautiful line which is without logic, everything is magic. And this line helped me achieve and clear all the exams, and not just that, to understand all the concepts which helped me till date. In 11th standard, he taught us with utmost dedication and passion, not thinking that this is just 11th standard and concepts are easier and very easy to clear the exams. But he had this philosophy that 11th standard is the most important for creating a base in accounts, and which will help in final CA as well. And hence I joined him in 12th as well, and his approach in 12th also was not just to clear the 12th boards, but to give us the knowledge and depth of every chapters that are being covered in that portion. Like for example, partnership and company accounts. He went to the basics and explained us why partnership structure or why company account structure and versus the sole proprietor, and he explained the practicality of those structures and in the real world. In CPD and IPCC, you always used to tell us, let's not stick to the portion or the sums that are given in the module only, because when you start your articleship or post the qualification, clients and companies will not come to you depending upon the portion and the subject. Clients can come to you with advice on DT, IDT and accounts at different times, and at times even combined queries for these particular subjects or concepts. And this helped us to look at CA as a whole course versus looking at the course as individual subjects. And this helped us connect dots and various things in the whole portion of the CA course. That's why I would recommend you to join Neeraj sir and get under his wings, because he's not just a teacher, but he's a guide, a philosopher, and at times even a friend, and will help you when you need him. All the best for your futures, and hope you join Neeraj sir. Thank you.